Hey everyone, Codex here. So today what we're gonna do is take a closer look at Bitcoin's price action and we'll discuss how we should prepare ourselves for what's to come. So if you guys like the content, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and of course make sure to join our Patreon account. So yesterday the market reacted in a completely unexpected fashion because as we got the FOMC meeting and as we knew that the Feds will hike rates by 75 basis points, the market took another hit, and currently Bitcoin is back trading again in this 18.5 to 19.5k region, which is our current support. To put things into perspective, this level is where we have managed to hold and bounce back up on 4 different occasions in the last 3 months. This happened here when we first collapsed, of course. It happened again about 2 weeks afterward, then again here and also recently. And so, as I always say, the more we test a support and a key level, the higher the odds of breaking below it are. And currently, the chances of us coming below 18.5 thousand US dollars and marking a lower low are increasing. Look, there has been a lot of talk about how this should be our bottom, and yeah, I'm not saying that it's completely wrong. All I want to say is that I personally don't think that this is our bottom, and I haven't said this today. If you go on the Patreon or on the Telegram channel, for example, you could see some of my bearish posts, including this one, for instance, with the S&P 500, which pretty much displays how we have been thinking that the market will go much lower. And so, yeah, the market has definitely been going lower, and in my opinion, the downtrend and the bearish momentum aren't over yet. Now, what makes me a bit worried is the next level for BTC. What we usually do on this channel is follow the VPVR indicator, which helps us find the areas with high interest and activity. And so typically what happens is that you see the price falling from one high volume node like this one, which is usually represented by a horizontal spike, to the next high volume node. And this happened here. You can obviously see how we fell from this area directly to the next one, and this empty level, which is called a low volume node, didn't offer support to bounce back up in that process of falling down. I'm telling you all of this because if you go on macro time frames such as the weekly time frame, we could see that the next level comes at around 12,000 US dollars, which sounds crazy. I know that it sounds a lot, but look, back when we were here or also here or even in here, everyone thought that we were crazy because we said that the bear market will continue for much longer. And so if being right makes us crazy, then I'm happy to be. Also, I'm not saying that we'll drop here. No. I just say that if we fall below this level, we will most likely go to the next one, which played a huge role as resistance here, also here when we rallied, and again here. Just to be more precise again, because a lot of people just hear a single word or a single sentence and they make every single decision based on that. So let me clarify again. I didn't say that we will come in here. I said that if we break below the current level, we will most likely go to the next one, which is this level. Now, going over the KDJ, which is a momentum indicator, we can see that the black line is still going down on the weekly time frame, and the blue line is also winning the downside race against the orange line, which signifies a weak buying pressure. And so on the weekly time frame, things still look pretty bearish for us. On the daily, the indicator looks slightly different, of course, and there is some hope of another tiny relief phase since the black line is already going up. And so I would say that there is a good chance of us doing something like this before trending much lower. And listen, the macro time frames are what always matters, and on macro time frames the market doesn't look like it bottom in my opinion, and it doesn't inspire a whole lot of confidence for heavy entries yet. So this was my opinion again on the market and on Bitcoin, and of course we'll see how things will develop from here. Thanks again for sticking by till the end. Have a nice day, and I'll see you in a later video. Bye bye.